In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social links to your profile in Facebook. Adding your social links to your Facebook profile is a great way to help people find your other accounts, like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or your personal website. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own account. First, open Facebook and go to your profile page. You can usually do this by clicking on your profile picture or your name at the top of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the option that says Edit Profile or About. Depending on the version of Facebook you're using, it might appear as a button near your cover photo or as a tab below your name. Go ahead and click that. This is where you can customize what people see on your profile. After that, you'll be brought to an area where you can edit different sections of your profile. Here, you want to look for a section or tab labeled Links. It might be listed under Contact and Basic Info, or it might have its own dedicated section like Links or Websites and Social Links. Click on Links to open the page where you can manage all the websites and social profiles connected to your account. Once you're in the Links section, look for the option that says something like Websites, Blogs, Portfolios, or similar wording. This is where Facebook lets you add external links that you want to showcase on your profile. Click on that option to start adding or editing your links. Now you can fill in the details. Usually, you'll see fields where you can paste the URL of your website or social profile. For example, you can paste the full link to your website, your Instagram profile, your YouTube channel, or any other relevant page. Make sure you copy the entire address from your browser, starting with HTTP or HTTPS so the link works correctly. Some versions of Facebook may also let you choose a category or label for the link, which can make it clearer for visitors. When you've entered your links, follow the on-screen prompts to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button and click it. After saving, go back to your profile view and scroll to the section where your details are shown. You should now see your websites or social links displayed there, ready for friends, followers, and visitors to click on.